Hello friends, welcome to Electropixels. This is a 32-inch series for Samsung LED TV. Here the complaint is backlight blinking issue. Here when the TV is turned on, at first the backlight will be okay, but after working the backlight starts to blinking. Here you can see now the picture and the backlight is okay. But after 1 or 2 minutes, when it's turned on, after getting 1 or 2 minutes, the backlight starts blinking. Here you can see now the backlight is started to blinking. Now I will turn on the flash. See, the backlight is started to blinking. You can see the complaint. Here I already checked that the backlight LED strips are okay. The power supply board is also working fine. The issue is not related to the inverter board section of the power supply board. While disconnecting the motherboard from the power supply board, the backlight is steady and stable. Here you can see. Now the motherboard is disconnected from the power supply board. Here you can see the socket to the motherboard is removed. Now here you can see the output. The backlight is steady now. See, the backlight is steady now. So here the fault is with the motherboard. It's mainly because of the backlight enable command related to the backlight enable command section in the motherboard, which is causing the issue. Here we now removed the backlight on PWM connections from the power supply board to the motherboard. So let's connect the sockets back to the motherboard. We can see the sockets, backlight on and PWM connections are disconnected. You can see now the TV is turned on. Here you can see now it's working fine without any issue. Hope you like this video. Thanks for watching. See you in another video with another interesting topics. If you like our channel, please don't forget to like, share, subscribe.